How can you sneak food into class if your angry new professor doesn't allow it? Find out in our new video. Miss Smith, our favorite! We've missed you! Can't wait for classes to start! Let's begin! Oh no! This is terrible! There will be no Miss Smith! Forget about her! I'm your new professor! Well, students, the topic of today's class is environmental pollution. Who wants to tell us about it? May I? Sure, Phil. Mr. Cosine, this globe is for you. A gift! Coat a round watermelon with blue acrylic paint. Add continents. Copy the design of a globe. Apply hot glue to the base of the globe. Poke holes in the watermelon. Fasten it on the stand. This is great! We're against pollution! Mr. Cosine hugged the earth so tight that the watermelon couldn't stand it and popped. You and your stupid jokes! You ruined my new t-shirt! You won't get away with it! Book restoration! Come now! I need to fix my book! Me too! Right now! There will be enough glue to go around! Are you fixing books? Great idea! Me, please! And me! Pour lemon topping into a clean Elmer's bottle. Add edible glitter. Stir. Enjoy your books! Mmm! How yummy! Good afternoon, class! What are you all busy with? You must be eating! Mmm! So delicious! Yummy! Microwave Isomalt. Add food coloring. Place a paper strip under a silicone mat. Pour Isomalt to copy the shape. Even out the edges with a knife. Add marks with a food marker. And numbers. Oh, students! You are focusing on the wrong thing! You need to focus on knowledge, like so. Books are the source of wisdom. Learn! Place wafers to shape a book. Use melted chocolate to attach them to each other. Also coat them with chocolate on top. Roll out fondant and attach it to the wafer base. Make it look like a book cover. Dampen fondant with water. Print a picture of a book on edible paper and attach it. Use food colorings while printing.
Oh!
This is terrible! The bell rang! We can start the class! You're having a test! Oh! Melissa, watch where you're going! Can you see anything in these glasses? Wait, these are cookies! Divide an Oreo in half. Attach the cookie halves to clean sunglasses. Use edible glue. I'll confiscate the glasses, and you hand out the test. Guys, enjoy! The fringe is yummy! Sew sour candy belts to the bottom of a denim jacket. Thank you, Melissa! Mmm, I love Oreos! Good afternoon, Mr. Cosine! Good afternoon! Hang on, you were skinnier yesterday. You have a suspicious bump today. Let's see. Oh, there's anything anyone could ever want in here. A year's supply of candy. And the bump disappeared. Now you can come in. The topic is human muscles and their functions. Who wants to explain it at the board? Anybody? Oh no, I don't know anything about it. Don't ask me. Anyone but me. Oh no, Bill is chewing a pencil again. It's unbearable. It's like a beaver is sitting next to me. I'm so anxious. Phil, stop! Gnaw on these pencils instead. Sanitize a pencil sharpener and sharpen licorice in it. Place sharpened licorice candies of different colors in a clean pencil box. Thanks! It's yummy! Mr. Cosine, have some! You're gonna love it! Thanks, I don't need a pencil. No candy in class! Show me what's in your backpack! Aha! Candy! I'm taking it away! Go! Next! What's that? You thought you could trick me? Let me check your bag. Of course there's candy! Mr. Cosine, go! Write down your homework and you're free to go. Goodbye, Mr. Cosine. Bye-bye. Finally, everyone's gone. Where are my snacks? Class, what is this mess? Stop making noise. Oh, aw, man. I ruined a nice book. Mr. Cosine flew into a rage. Class, does anybody have tape? I'll borrow it for a second. Sure, thanks. Put 7 ounces of sugar into a pot. Add 2 3/4 ounces of syrup and 1½ ounces of water. Simmer, stirring continuously until it reaches 285 degrees. Put a roll of tape in a metallic ring mold. Pour in the caramel in the gap. Take the metallic mold off the hardened caramel. Where's the end? I can't find it. It has to be somewhere here. I'm close. I'll try this. Phew! It doesn't work. What if I use a pencil? I won't give up so easily. Oh, scissors! It's gonna work now. Huh? Still no luck? Mr. Cosine is tired of fighting the sweet tape. Are they laughing at me? Let's see who has the last laugh. Where are my thumbtacks? Take colorful thumbtacks and M&Ms. Apply syrup to a thumbtack. Fasten a candy of a matching color to it. Put them into a box from thumbtacks. Can you do this? I dare you! Whoa! Was that a thumbtack? He ate a thumbtack? There's nothing hard about it. I can do it too. Ouch! It hurts! Today, we'll be talking about the exciting biography of William Morris. Let's start the lecture. Well, he was an outstanding English poet, writer, artist, and publisher. And he was a socialist too. The founder of the arts and crafts movement was born on March 24th, 1834. Write down his birthday. The only way I can survive this lecture is speeding up time. Take a clean hourglass-shaped box. Put in glazed rice balls. Did you write it down? Whoa! Time flies! I didn't even notice. Well, in that case, class is over. You're free to go. Yay! Guys, this is candy. Enjoy. Phil? Oh, he choked on sand from the hourglass. I'll help. Breathe. Better now? Why did you eat it? Ah, this is candy. Shame on you. The lecture isn't over. This is unbearable. How long can you possibly chew gum for? It's so delicious. The best part is enjoying the first seconds of the amazing taste. And after that, it's not as yummy. Old gum under a desk? Ew! Oh man, I'm out of gum. Mr. Cosine definitely has gum. Yay! New gum. Here's slime made from all your gum. You're gonna love it. Justin is so cute. I need to get his attention and impress him somehow. Oh, what is this disgusting thing? Ew! Gum! Haha, Melissa, that's too much gum. Keep going, guys! You can do it! It's so hot! Attach a strip of clear plastic inside a workout top. Use double-sided tape. Fasten Skittles to the plastic strip with edible glue. What's that? Candy! And they all melted! Did you like our funny ways to sneak candy into college? Then comment below what you liked the most. A caramel ruler, a wafer book, a watermelon globe, or licorice pencils? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new hilarious videos from Troom.